Vlog. Yeah. Guess what? Yeah, baby. I love you. Yeah! Go, little dude. I see you. All right, let's get ready. All right, let's go. Come on. Abby. Look at the colors in there. Colors in there. Okay. Look at all of them. Cute. Skittles. What's up with you, Skittles? What's up, Skittles? What's up with you? I can't believe how these birds don't attack nobody. It's crazy. Like, what's up, buddy? Better watch for the poop. Get all over you. Excuse me. Look at the color. Excuse me. I'm gonna go to the one that talks. Hello. What's up with you? Hello. Hey. 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 You get on me? You get on me? Yeah? 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 You wanna get on me? Hello. What's up with you, buddy? Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. Hello. Where's Alyssa at? They haven't made it up there yet? Like, I'm confused. I just left them. I don't know where they are. I need Alyssa to take pictures for me though. My bad, ma'am. Sorry. Oh, he's part of the staff. Okay.
Tour continues up the hill to the right. There you go, guys.
You want to feed them, guys?
Hey. Where is she? 20 minutes in. How?
Everybody left me.
Follow me then. Follow me then.
That way.
Come on.
Off step.
Come with me. Look at Terry. She has little hair.
And then I got chased by a yellow jacket.
Go look at this. Go look at these. Let's lead straight back down there. What are they doing? Are they opening the door? Oh, they went to the door.
That's me.
I told you there's chipmunks everywhere. You didn't remember me showing you?
Yeah, you chased it.
I didn't chase it at all.
Oh. Oh, these will land on it, babe. These will land on it. They're like free. Look at him. He's living his best life.
Hold it. Your turn.
My turn. How do you stand like? It just lands on top of it.
Get used to it.
It was like that thing from Bird Box where they had to stay and there were like birds everywhere.
Yeah, kind of.
Look at him living his best life following us.
He's hiding. He's camouflage.
Watch us like not even be on it.
He's straight in.
No, what? I'm talking about my camera. Look at that thing. That's me.
Digging.
So,
Digging. Ew.
look at the colors. See the colors of that thing?
I
So
know.
beautiful. Look at this right here.
It's all
Look at that color.
I don't know if I got it. It looks like a baby peacock.
Look
Here,
at the
take
eyes of
this.
this one. Oh my gosh.
Get it, yeah.
Look at the eyes. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. 22 minutes in. Hope my camera doesn't die. I said I hope my camera doesn't die. I live in my best life. Are they coming? They coming? The chipmunk?
No.
Oh. Wait till you get up here. You can grab them. No, the birds. I know, that's why I'm trying to tell you to hurry up. Because there's a lot more to go. I'm only 20 minutes in. I'm trying to like get it all recorded. That's why I'm walking. Stay with me. Hear me? Stay with me. I already talked to this dude. I'm just trying to get back with y'all.
Get some sanitizer there. Have a good time. Don't feed the ones with stickers that say do not touch or feed. Have a good day.
At least look at yourself or something.
Oh.
Like, hold it up. I already showed them all these birds, but look. They all get on you. Watch.
How you doing, guys? Glad to be in here.
You want some food?
Let me get up here.
You want some food? We got a little lady with food. I know. You gotta get a quarter. Watch, look. Oh, there, see? I just don't know. Ooh. Oh, this little dude. This dude funny. He wants food. Every single one of them wants food. You see that?
I know.
They go straight to my hand. Watch.
Oh, look at that.
That one's, yeah. He has all sorts of them. Look at this one. This dude. Yes. Sure. I'll definitely hold him. Hello. Hey. So cute. Hello.
Oh my god.
Hello. Hey. Hey. You want to be in a vlog? Say vlog. Vlog. Vlog.
You want? We like petting.
Can I pet him? I try if you want.
Babe.
Hey, can I pet you? No. He said, nah, I gotta watch him.
You see?
She's cute.
Who?
That one.
Hello.
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 Oh.
You can pet it over here.
That's fire. Hey. Hey. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
It's like I'm
Hey.
coming up.
Come here.
Look at
Say
that
hey.
one.
Say hey. Hey. Wave at it. Hey. Oh. Oh. Oh, you wanna go back? Hey. Come here. Get up there. Come on. Hey.
Not that one. Not this one. I'm talking about that one.
Oh. Oh.
I don't like this one.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at the vlog.
John got me yesterday and it
You
wouldn't
want
want
a vlog? Come on,
you.
come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. You want to see her? Hello. Hey. You go to arm? Yeah. You gonna be in vlog? Say hello. Hey, vlog. Vlog. Yeah. Vlog. I said hey. Vlog. Go over there. Go over there. Come on. Go over there. Oh. Look at this dude. What's wrong with you, buddy? You just chilling, ain't you? Yeah. Come here. I don't want to touch you. You scared me. I don't like you. Freaking me out a little bit. I know you know me. What's up, buddy? What's up with you? I know you see me. Hey. Oh. You scared me right there for a second. I was like, uh-oh. Look at this one. Yes. Yes. He's so dope. They're so dope. I don't really know what to do.
You want this one?
Sure.
Take this one. Oh, it's only cheap.
It doesn't. It's comfy right there on you. Look. Come on.
It's not,
He knows how to do it. Watch. He just puts his hands on. Polish!